Everyone, again, no flash photography, please.
DYCI Prime!
Good afternoon to you, our beloved judges and audience.
In our 5-minute presentation, you shall witness the avant-garde technology that we have conceived, planned, and developed in the unparalleled bounty. The beauty of our nature converged to bring us this micro-world of the robots reinforced roadmap we foresee for the future of our Philippine tourism.
Ladies and gentlemen, we proudly present to you Robots Promote Tourism. Notice the tourist robot protector ensuring the safety and security of everyone.
Let us begin breathing life to this steamy star-fried creation. Dear judges and friends, let us welcome Pinoy! Pinoy is more than he's an all-around and multilingual robo-marketer. Now he shall show to us the value of respect and hospitality, the Filipino way, which is the pagmamahal.
Pinoy is powered by 9NXT and 4RCX controllers and is triggered by a combination of touch and
Now he shall show to us the value of hospitality as he gives our judges a simple souvenir. Now, did you hear him speak? He uses the words po or opo, again as part of our deep Philippine heritage of respect and reverence. Now the question is, why do we call him multilingual? Let's see the linguist in Pinoy. Our judges chose the English language.
four languages. Pinoy has shown his multilingual feature emanating from the NXT Intelligent Ring, and the discourse later will be from the embedded digital monitor's audio component. Now, let's again listen to Pinoy for our chosen destination.
Our judges chose Mindanao for our destination. A ticket card shall now be dispensed from our chosen destination, accompanied by our bookmark brochure. Let us now listen to Pinoy as he guides us to your chosen place.
In the red island of Mindanao, we can see the enchanting Ismindas called Signal.
For you, sir?
Signal,
As you can
also
see,
known
the
as
robot-powered
Ismindas.
cable car which detaches itself automatically from the robot jeep shall be the trigger through light sensors for the different robots in the different sites to execute their program dances and activities.
Now we shall unveil to you the beautiful sights in the Philippines, starting from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao.
You can now see the lifter bringing our cable car to the chosen destination. So you can see the single dancers are now dancing.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, our tri-century monument of Filipino heroes. We will use the ticket card that we use in the Philippine tour to trigger our monument. And let's all see what will happen.